This is the EVS class of class 5 and today we discuss chapter number 4, Mangoes Round the Year. This is lecture number 1. First comes motivational quote. Today's quote is, great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people, by रूजवेल्ट। जो अच्छे व्यक्ति हैं वो हमेशा आइडियाज़ के बारे में सोचते हैं एंड दे ऑल्सो डिस्कस आइडियाज़ विथ अदर्स। वो किताब पढ़ते हैं एंड दे यूटिलाइज देयर रियल एजुकेशन बाय डिस्कवरिंग द फैक्ट्स रिटेन। जो एवरेज माइंडेड पीपल है वो हमेशा इवेंट्स के बारे में सोचते हैं, क्या हुआ था, क्या होना चाहिए, क्या होगा। बट द नैरो माइंडेड पीपल दे डिस्कस about others. They find the faults about the others. They don't think among themselves. They always find that what are the difficulties in life but don't find the solution. So we always want to become great in our life. Now comes today's topics. What are the topics? First, identification of द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्पॉइल्ड फूड। हम लोग को कैसे पता चलेगा दैट द फूड गेट्स स्पॉइल्ड। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर फूड स्पॉइलेज एंड फूड वेस्टेज। नेक्स्ट, वी हैव टू परफॉर्म सम एक्टिविटीज। देन वी हैव टू रीड अ पैकेट फूड आइटम एंड वी हैव टू गैदर इंफॉर्मेशन। नेक्स्ट, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स। व्हाट आर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स and how it affect the food items. Mangoes Round the Year tells about the food spoilage and food wastage, how we can know that the food item gets spoiled. Next, how we can store the food items and we use the food items for a long period, and how we can preserve the food item for utilization of it throughout the year. That is why the name of the chapter is Mangoes Round the Year. We know that mango is a seasonal fruit. We can't use mangoes throughout the year. If we keep mangoes some days, then we can observe that it gets spoiled. But here we will see that how we use mangoes throughout the year. Now first, how can we identify spoiled food? इधर लंच टाइम है and the students take out the lunch boxes from their bags. They want to share their lunches with each other. There are two girls, Nitu and Preeti, and one boy, Aman. What Nitu says? Wow, Aman's lunch box has sweet puris. Aman says, hey, today Nitu has brought potato sabji. Preeti says, I have got bhindi. Next, Aman बोल रहे हैं, oh Nitu, I think your potato sabji is spoiled. Preeti says, don't eat that. You may fall sick. Here, you take some bhindi. Now, आमन नीतू को बोल रहे हैं तुम्हारा पोटैटो सब्जी एकदम स्पॉइल्ड हो गए। प्रीति नीतू को ऑफर कर रहा है उसका भिंडी लेने के लिए। नाउ हाउ वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट द फूड आइटम इज स्पॉइल्ड। कैसे पता चलेगा ये फूड आइटम एकदम स्पॉइल हो गए, हम लोग ये नहीं खा सकते, नहीं ले सकते। By its appearance, that is, the spoiled food looks completely different from the usual. By its smell, spoiled food gives bad smells. वो बदबू देते हैं जो अच्छे नहीं है। बदबू means that is bad. खुशबू means good. By its taste, spoiled food item tastes completely different. So, when any food item smells bad, looks different, tastes different from usual, then it is not fit for eating. So, we can identify that what are the characteristics of spoiled food. Students, you have to write these on your copies. Next, how did Aman know that the potato sabji had got spoiled? We have observed that Aman Neetu को बोल रहे हैं your potato sabji has got spoiled. How did Aman know? Look, the potato sabji smelled bad and looked different from usual. From this, Aman came to know that the potato sabji had got spoiled. Have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? तुम लोग कभी देखा था कोई spoiled food item? अगर देखा तो कैसे तुम लोग को पता चला था that the food item was spoiled? ये दो क्वेश्चन भी तुम लोग को कॉपी में लिखना चाहिए और how did Aman know that the potato sabji was spoiled? That question you have to write on the copies. Okay. I write that you have to write this on your copy and this one also. देखो, yes, I have often seen that milk, sabji, bread, etc. have got spoiled. This spoiled food gives bad smells, shows unusual color and tastes different. By observing this, I knew that the food was spoiled. मैंने एक पिछले बार भी बोला था that spoiled food gives bad smells, unusual color and tastes completely different. ये दो क्वेश्चन भी कॉपी में लिखना चाहिए. You have to write this. Now, Preeti told Neetu not to eat the potato sabji. What would have happened if she had eaten it? प्रीति ने नीतू को बोला था वो पोटैटो सब्जी नहीं खाने के लिए. क्या होगा अगर नीतू वो पोटैटो सब्जी ले रहे हैं? If Neetu had eaten the spoiled potato sabji, she might fall ill. Now, what is food spoilage? Food spoilage can be defined as undesirable changes occurring in food, making it unfit and unacceptable for eating. So students, you have to write this in your copy and you can tell that what is food spoilage. That is when undesirable changes occurring in the food and that changes make the food item unfit and unacceptable for eating, then you can say that it is food spoilage. What are the factors behind the spoilage? Moisture. Moisture means the water droplets. Temperature. pH value. Actually, there is a scale and the name of the scale is pH scale. And on the scale, there are some marking. If the value is 7 on the pH scale, then we say that it is neutral. Below 7, we can say that it is acid. Above 7, we say that it is base. So, when the food gets spoiled, its pH value is completely different than usual, and the change of pH value of factor behind the spoilage of food. Next, inhibitory substances. Inhibitory substances are that substances that grow on the food items which we can't observe in our naked eye, and they brought some unusual changes, and that changes are the reason for the spoilage of food items. Students, you have to write what is food spoilage and the factors of spoilage of food on your copies. Let's observe what? The fresh vegetable and the spoiled vegetable. This is a picture of capsicum. This is fresh and this is spoiled. This is a picture this is fresh and these are spoiled. Look, here the spoiled fruit has some fungi type structure on the outer surface. This is a picture of fresh food and this is spoiled food. Look, spoiled food has black spot on the body and its color is completely different from this color, that is, its appearance is completely different. This is a picture of fresh milk and these are the picture of spoiled milk. So earlier what I have said, I have often observed milk that gets spoiled, vegetables that get spoiled, fruit that gets spoiled. Just by observing and by its smell, I can say that the food item gets spoiled. Look, this is a picture of bread and the bread is spoiled bread. Look, they have sponge type structure on the outer surface. So just by its appearance, we can say that the bread is spoiled. This is a picture of spoiled vegetables. Their color is completely different. Look, the original color is red, but here the color is brown. Here they have white type structure on the surface. It's completely black. There is also some dots gray color on the body of the lemon. Look, they are completely different. Their appearance, their color is completely different than usual. So just by appearances we can say, just by observing the colors I can say that the food item gets spoiled, and also they gives bad smells. Now what is food wastage? When we don't utilize good fresh food, we can say that we waste food. This one also you have to write on your copy. So हम लोग कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, जो खाना अच्छे है फ्रेश है वो हम लोग इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं, we throw it in the dustbin. That is the wastage of food. That is not the spoilage of food. That is completely wastage. We don't waste our food items. There are some people who don't get food, so we can distribute the food items to them. Now what is the difference between food spoilage and food wastage? This one also you have to write in your copy. Now, food spoilage. When the food shows different color, smells bad. And we should not eat spoiled food, because if we take it, we may have fallen sick. What is food wastage? When food looks fresh, smells good, but we don't eat it, then we say that the food is wasted. And what we have to do? We should keep it for eating later, or we give it to the poor instead of throwing it to the dustbin. मैंने तो अभी अभी यही बोला. And students, this one also you have to write. Then you have to perform this activity. Look in your kitchen and write down the names of food items that can get spoiled in 2 to 3 days. Can be kept for a week, would not spoil till 1 month. So students, you have to go to your kitchen and you have to observe the following things. What? There are some food items in the kitchen that can get spoiled in 2 or 3 days. And there are some food items that you can keep a week, and there are some food items that you can utilize till 1 month. The spelling of it is spoil, S-P-O-I-L. S-P-O-I-L, spoil. Students, you have to identify them and you have to make a list. You have to do like this. That is, you make columns and then you write. That is, food that gets spoiled in 2 to 3 days, that can keep a week, and that you can keep a month. You can write like this way. Okay. Now students, will your list be the same in all seasons? What would change? जो लिस्ट तुम बनाया वो क्या हर सीजन में एक ही होगा या अलग होगा? Now, BC returned the bread. Look, this is a food packet. That is a packet of bread. You have to observe the packet and tell these things. क्या लिखा हुआ इधर? Aman's busy went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to Busy. She looked at it and returned it immediately. Look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why Busy returned it. How did she find that the bread had got spoiled? Students, क्या लिखा हुआ था इधर? आमंड्स बिजी मार्केट गए थे ब्रेड खरीदने के लिए and the bread shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked a packet of bread and gave it to Busy. Busy just looked at it and returned it immediately. वो देखा और तुरंत वापस कर दिया. Now, you have to write these two questions. What is the answer? Busy may have noticed that the expiry date of the bread was over. That is why she returned the bread packet. Now, how did she find that the bread had got spoiled? Busy को कैसे पता चला that the packet was spoiled or the bread inside the packet has got spoiled? Busy may have noticed some mold on the bread. That is why. Now students, this is a picture of a packet food item. This is also a picture of packet food item. There also written something on these packet food items. What is written? Net weight, ingredients, maximum retail price, batch number, packed on, that is manufacturing date, best before 12 months from packing, that is expiry date. Now what are the gradients? Gradient means the food items which is packed inside and what is made of the food item, that is what are added in the original food, that is called ingredients. Net weight means what is the weight of the packet. Maximum retail price, that is what is the price of the food item. Then batch number, in which batch it is packed. Then the manufacturing date and the expiry date. If we observe the second picture, there also written the manufacturing date and expiry date, the nutrition facts, that is it tells about carbohydrate, protein, fat, calories that you gain after eating or after consuming the food items. So I think this is clear to everybody. Now students, you have to write this on your copy. What is the question? What can we know from what is written on the packet? We can know the price, the weight of the packet, the ingredients, the manufacturing date, the expiry date, nutritional information, etc. Now, the most important thing is, what are microorganisms? Micro means very small. Organism means living things. So, microorganisms are those tiny living things which we can't see with our naked eyes but can be seen under microscope. They grow very fast in hot and humid environment like summer and rainy season. So, we can say that microorganisms are very tiny little things that can grow on the food items, and we can't see microorganism with our naked eye. माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म बहुत ही छोटा चीज़ है जो फूड आइटम्स के ऊपर हमेशा ग्रो करते हैं, एंड वी कैन ऑब्जर्व द microorganisms under microscope. Microorganisms grow very fast during summer and also in the humid environment, that is moisture. Earlier I have said that the factors behind the spoilage of food, here there is a thing that moisture, temperature. Look, microorganisms grow very fast in hot, that is temperature, and humid environment, that is moisture, like summer and rainy season. Microorganisms spoil food by growing in it and producing substances that change the appearance, color, taste and smell of the food. Microorganisms are bacteria, fungi like yeast. So students, you have to complete all before attending the next session. You have to write every questions and every answers on your copies. That's all about today's session. Thank you.